Wheezes, dry cough, congestion, runny nose, of course.
At St. Vincent Medical Group in Shrewsbury, Dr. Farah Khan says more patients are calling in sick.
There's been a upswing of respiratory issues for people to come in.
Most people just need the basics: more fluids, more sleep, and more tissues.
Our expectation is, okay, give it a week, 10 days, and it should hopefully resolve with whatever management you're doing. The concern is, why in many cases it's not going away.
That's especially true for older adults and smokers. Dr. Khan says parents should keep a close eye on young kids, too.
Children can change their symptoms very fast. They look fine, they're totally good, but all of a sudden their body just can't take it. So monitoring those concerning symptoms. Are they breathing too fast?
Also, call a doctor if your worst symptoms are aches, chills, and exhaustion. It may not be a cold.
Flu is all of those but more. It's like squared, you feel those much more, and definitely the fever.
Dr. Khan says that she has seen a few flu cases so far this season, but the numbers are lower than the past 2 years. And if you have not received a vaccine yet, it is not too late. Experts say it's really the best defense against getting really sick.
All right.